YouTube, guys, you do not have to be perfect. My mic keep muting and I don't know why. So let me just do a quick summary in case it miss out and you hear me going in and out. All right, technical difficulty, guys. So with YouTube, you want to use CapCut to edit your videos. You record on your phone or on your laptop, anyhow you want to record. Most people record on your phone. When you record on your phone, you click on the import that I clicked there. You can put your intro and your outro video here and also your main video. So all the video is actually here. This is a free app that you can use. Again, the name is CapCut. It is free unless you want to do extreme editing. I'm not a big editor, as I mentioned before. I am new to editing. My editing is basically trash. So see with me. Normally I just upload. Right, so now we're gonna edit. I was editing something here before, so let's delete that. Delete, delete, and delete. Let's delete this. Let's just do it from scratch. All right, so you're gonna put your intro. Oh, let's delete the cover as well because I had a cover. I just find out how to do my cover, guys. Congratulations, congratulations. I'm so proud of myself. So, anyways, let's get into it because you know me ramble on and continue on and on. So you put your intro there. Then you want to drag your main video, which this is my main video. No, sorry, this is my main video right here that I just imported. So I'm gonna drag it there. Then I want to put my outro, which I already have edited. And then I pull my outro from here and then I'm gonna drop it here. Simple. I am basically done. Not really though, because I like to have my things with music. So I want my outro to actually have music. So here's what we're going to do. We're gonna go to audio and then click on the music that you would like. If or the artist, type in the artist, I'm gonna go with the baby because I like that sound. It's loading. It's loading. I should just click it, I didn't have to type over little baby. That was so weird. But in the meantime, it's loading. I don't know what is going on. The rain has been pouring for days. Like it's a week and something now, and we have been having rain non-stop. So I guess it's affecting the internet. See with me, guys. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna click on the one that I want, which is this one. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah, that is it. Right. So you have a little piece. You drag the song that you want. So you drag it from up here and you put it at your end or wherever you want it in your video. Now, really of a fact, I'm not used to putting it in the middle of my video as yet because I guess you have to turn it down, enhance and all of that. And I haven't get into the nitty gritty of that. So we just here in my lane for now. I'm just gonna go and learn and stop so I don't get overwhelmed. And as I learn, I'm just gonna show you guys that I use. Right, so now we go back and then I'm gonna add it to my intro as well. And here you go, boom. I think in my next video, I'm actually gonna show you guys how you record. I have a video showing you guys how you record on your phone. I will drop that soon, so stay tuned. You wanna subscribe so you have access to those videos when they drop and you don't have to actually find them back again. You could comment any question that you have and I probably will do a video answering your comments or I just answer below. Right, guys? All right, good. So there, I have my song, intro, outro. I haven't put it. If I want it in my middle part, that's my video. I can actually drop it there as well and probably tune. You see, you can tune the music down here. You can have the background there. You could fade it away so it don't sound that loud in your YouTube video. When I reach that part, I will actually drop a video on how to do that. But I'm just doing the basics. We're doing the basics today. So there's a video. Now you can replay it before you do anything. Hey, 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 yeah. All right. I don't want to believe. This is the middle of my video because I was actually explaining. I mean, making videos sometimes can get tedious, but it's fun. I love it. because I actually recorded a whole video and the team stopped recording and I didn't even know. And I had to like start over because I didn't even know where the video stopped. Crazy, right? Crazy. Anyways, let's get to to the outro so you guys can hear the music play because this video is long and I don't want it to be long. Oh, why I have music in the middle here? Guys, never would delete that because I don't want music in the middle there. As I said before, I want music at the end. So let's go to the end. Why may I do this? We can't just do this. Oh no, because I want to play it from there. Okay, good. So I'm here. You will hear the end. That's good, but I know it's good. And then you see outro. And then you go. And there you go. And there you go. And there you go. Right. See? So your video is done. Your video look, to edit your intro, you could probably do that. You could play around with some stuff here as well to get your intro. Yeah, you could play around with the sticker, you could play around with the effects, transition, filters, text, and all of that. And as I said before, I'm going to show you guys because I just today learned how to do covers. My cover is kind of crappy for now because I'm just learning, but it's awesome. I see now how these guys on YouTube get their cover. We are not gatekeeping, so I'm sharing. And that is it. So you guys want to make sure you're subscribed to the videos for more, the channel, sorry, the YouTube channel for more videos like this. So at least when the videos drop, you have access to it. You want to like, you want to follow, and you can share it to somebody who probably needed a video like this, or they are a YouTuber, they just start out in YouTube and want to know like the free apps. I had us to do some digging before I get this. I got it, and I want to share it. So let's go. Bye, guys. Oh, we can call on a Forex Dragon gangs. Alone like I'm a VIP group, but still, you are guys are a part of the gang. So I'm gonna start calling that at the beginning of my video. Cause it's still nothing name the team, You guys are part of the team right now. So bye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.